Hi, I'm Ben from the Dandy Introvert. Today I'm going to make some bunting from some pre-made banners that we purchased from a local craft shop. Okay, so today what I'm going to be using is some pre-made cotton banners, some pom-pom trims in two different colours. We've got a navy blue and a red, some macrame cord for the actual string of the bunting, some Happy Fabric flex vinyl, scissors purely just to cut the trim, some glue gun to secure the trim, and I'm going to be using my snazzy new LED weeding tool. I drew up my designs on Procreate on my iPad and then transferred them over to Silhouette Studio ready for cutting. Time to start the weeding. My LED weeding tool from Happy Fabric is amazing for this intricate type of weeding. It makes the job so much easier to do. Now they've all been weeded, it's time to cut them out ready for heat pressing. Time for my favourite bit of kit, my HappyPress 4. Absolutely love this thing. Just doing a quick pre-press here on one of the banners. I'm going to start with the anchor, so I'm going to quickly measure it just to make sure it's all centred. I'm using Happy Fabric Happy Flex vinyl, so it's pressed for 5 to 10 seconds at 150 degrees, or the 2-dot setting if you're using an iron. Remember though, if you're using an iron, do not use steam. Onto the ship's wheel. Absolutely love the prep. Happy Flex is a hot peel, so I don't have to wait too long to see the finished result. How cute is this seagull? I had a bit of an accident while weeding, so I had to hand cut me an eye, but I'm so happy with how it came out. Here we are, all fully printed. So it's time for the pom-pom trim. I hot glue gunned mine on, but if you were confident with the sewing machine, you could always stitch yours on if you preferred. Snipping the ends neatly, I used clips to make sure the trim was secure while the glue dried. How cute are these? Once everything was dried, I used a wool needle to thread the macrame cord through the banners. These banners came pretty strong, so I simply removed the original cord on the little pole. But if you wanted to use them as individual banners, then you could just reuse the original pieces if you preferred. And here we go, all finished. I'm so happy with this project. Here we are, the finished product. Just got two simple tacks in the wall. Obviously you could put it up with hooks or any of the little self-adhesive hooks if you wanted to use those. Perfect fit for this window. I'm really happy with it.